Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial by Trust Stanley at Test Tech Talks Video. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to run a Facebook advertisement or a campaign on your Facebook page in order to grow your followers, likes, and to get more traffic on your Facebook page. So if you're looking to learn how to do that, let's go ahead and dive in right now. Open your Facebook application, make sure you are logged in into the Facebook account which you want to edit. Click on the menu icon, go to your pages, select the pages, the actual page which you want to run advertisement on. And then if you notice on the top area, the second option, it has ads, right? You can go ahead and click on that. But if you can't see that option, if you have more, you can click on more and you can still scroll down and see ads somewhere around here. Yeah, you can see the ads manager. You can click on that. So probably that's how to get to that, but I would little prefer to make use of this option because it actually simplifies everything and have all the options which we need. Click on the ads, wait for it to load. Now once it loaded up, you can see the previous ads which you've run before. You can go ahead and preview them, view the results of the ads and so on. But today I just want to show you guys how to create an ad. So in order to do that, go ahead and click on create. Now, depending on the kind of ad you want to run, the first option shows you that you have an automated ads which you can easily run, or you can just generate ads to get traffic to your website visitors, which maybe if you're trying to get traffic or trying to get subscribers to your YouTube page, you can make use of that option. Or you want to build your brand business, just click on the building of the brand business. But if you're looking for a way to promote the page and actually looking for likes and followers, you can click on the promote page option. But if you want to build a particular post, you can click on that. There are several options in this and it actually shows you how to do each and every one of them, one after the other. And then the other option that says to build an Instagram post, I'm going to be showing you guys that one later on, but today I just want to show you guys how to promote your page, which is this option right here. Click on that, promote your Facebook page. We're actually going to be promoting our page so that we can get followers and likes on our page. That's the reason why we are building this right now. So now after that, you will get to select an option. Now if you notice, it says people you choose through by targeting. So we have to target a particular location in order to be getting our audiences from there. So go ahead and click on edit and select a particular location, or you choose a particular address. So the location which I've selected is actually this is Ikeja. So I'm actually going to go ahead and delete that option because I've run that several times. So let's go ahead and choose a particular country. Let's choose it and make it over, choose a wider range. So I'm going to go ahead and choose, no, let me go ahead and choose Philippines. Mostly if I run advertisement, for some reason I actually get a lot of traffic from Philippines. So instead of targeting Nigeria, since I don't get most traffics from Nigeria, I will just choose Philippines. So this is all I want to choose. You can still choose multiple country if you like, but for now this is all I want to choose for now. Just go ahead and save it, and for the option select all, and I want the age range to be from 18, let's make it from 20, and 65 isn't relevant. I think I'm going to stop at 45. So this is my targeted audience. So if you actually, another thing to do is to add interest. So what if people are actually interested in, mostly my Facebook is all about teaching people about Facebook marketing and all those stuffs. So it actually going to have to be for people that are actually into advertisement, mostly businesses, engineering, entrepreneur, higher education, because or management, marketing, personal interests, real estate. We also have to run marketing, sales, small businesses, science, not needed. So once you're done, go ahead and back out. It's going to automatically select for you entertainment too, I actually need to get to find bloggers, people who are interested in gaming. Gamers, we also need this action game, online game. So guys, I'm going to pause this video where I select some other interests. Make sure you do that on your own. All you need to do is to think about people that are interested in the advertisement or your page, so that it can easily reach out to them. And for some reason, there is always an interest rate in food, beverages, and wine because they want to advertise their products. So go ahead and think outside the box and think around the box too, of people that will be interested in what you are going to put on your page. So I'm going to pause this video to make some other selection so that I will be able to choose a wide range of what I want to add and people I want to display on my interest rate. If you have, so for some reason you have some question about this, leave it on a comment below. But for some reason I don't want this video to be very long, so I'm going to go ahead and pause this video while I choose other interests. So these are all my selected interests so far. So but after that, you can notice there are still some suggested options that is being displayed below. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose some of them and then make sure it still relates to whatever we are running. Don't forget, it's very important to be within the range of whatever we are running. So once you're done, go ahead and click on save. I think I'm okay with that. So save again. And you can note, after selecting this interest, the next time I'm trying to run another advertisement, is going to also select the people who are also interested in this, right? So after that, you can notice there is an option that it's saying the amount I have in my account is currently not enough to run this advert, but that's not an issue. I'm just teaching you guys how to do this. So after that, you can just go ahead and click on promote page, and then it will allow you to promote page. And then before we go on that, you can select the duration of the period which you want to run this advertisement. For instance, most of the times I always run my advert for 5 days because I only put 2,000 naira on it, 2,000 naira to run the advertisements, which you can also increase the date range which you want. If you want this to run for like 30 days, you can go ahead and select 30 days, which is actually varying for a whole month. But if you want this to run less, just like mine, I always leave mine to be on 5 days. So you can go ahead and select that. If you're not a business owner, if you're not a big business owner, you can go ahead and select a limited age, and you can notice the amount will reduce. And if you for some reason want to reduce the amount, you can go ahead and reduce that. You can notice below, once you are reducing the amount, the income is actually going to be reduced. And again, you can still reduce the amount which you run your advertisement for daily. So for instance, we want to spend 300 naira daily, you can go ahead and select that. So you can run your advert for 300 naira daily. So depending on how long you want to run this advertisement, you can go ahead and select that. Also choose, and then once you're done, go ahead and click on promote page. But you know, for some reason the money I have in my account is not enough to run this page, so probably it's not going to be successful. But for your own case, if you have enough money on your account, it's going to be successful. And just watch the page and watch it view and go on while you just go on in your daily needs, and the advert is going to be run later on once Facebook have actually reviewed your ad and make sure it actually falls into their policy. The advert is going to run, and hopefully you're going to get more followers and likes on your page, and then it's actually going to make your page get more traffic and views on your page, hopefully making you more successful on Facebook. So if you guys watched this video and enjoyed it, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and please leave a comment, a sincere comment, because I really want to improve on my videos. And once again, happy Easter, guys. See you guys soon on my next video, and make sure you always check out for my new videos every time I drop. All right guys, see you soon.